Hey there. Have you ever wondered what the finance department in a company really does? Is it just about counting money, or is there more to it? In this video, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. The finance department is the part of a company responsible for managing money, how it's earned, spent, saved, and reported. Think of it as the money brain of a business. It helps the company make smart financial decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Imagine a company as a car. The finance department is like the GPS, guiding where to go and when to slow down financially. Without it, the company could get lost or crash. Let's break down the major responsibilities of a finance department. Here are the top 5. Remember to subscribe for more financial tips. Number 1. Budgeting. They plan how money will be spent for marketing, salaries, supplies, and more. They make sure spending stays in control. Number 2. Financial reporting. They prepare reports that show how well the company is performing, profit and loss, balance sheets, and more. This helps investors and managers make smart decisions. Number 3. Payroll management. They make sure everyone is paid on time and correctly. That includes bonuses, salaries, and deductions. Number 4. Tax management. They handle all taxes, making sure the company stays legal and avoids penalties. Number 5. Cash flow monitoring. They track all the money flowing in and out. Even profitable companies can crash if they run out of cash. A strong finance department helps the business avoid overspending, plan for the future, and make the right investments. Without it, even big companies can fail. Now let's talk about careers in finance. You could become a finance officer, budget analyst, accountant, auditor, or financial controller. Most of these roles need a background in finance, accounting, or business administration. But even beginners can start small and grow fast. So, I hope now you understand what the finance department really does. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. Want me to explain another finance topic? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.